ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಲತಾ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ EVS ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 9 ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೇಫ್. We should follow the safety rules both at home and outside. Some safety rules are given below. Safety at home. Safety rules prevent us from accidents and injuries. Do not play with sharp things like knives, scissors, blades, etc. Do not touch electric plugs or appliances with wet hands. Do not play with matchsticks. Do not jump on the sofa or the bed. Do not run up and down the stairs. Do not scatter your toys here and there. Safety in the playground. Always play in the playground or garden. Always play a fair game with rules. Never play on the road. Safety on the road. Do not run across the road. Always walk on the footpath. Across the road at zebra crossing. Obey the traffic light and signals. Do not get in or out of a moving vehicle. Form a queue while getting into the bus. Do not stick out your body parts out of the window. Safety in the swimming pool. Do not go swimming alone. Use a rubber tube if you are a learner. Follow your instructor's advice. Do not go to the deep end of the pool if you are a learner. Next, multiple choice questions. Green light tells us to dash. Option A, stop. Option B, wait. Option C, go. Answer, option C, go. We should always play dash. Option A, on the road. Option B, in the playground. Option C, anywhere. Answer, option B, in the playground. We should make a dash while getting into the bus. Option A, queue. Option B, circle. Option C, train. Answer, option A, queue. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are safety rules? Answer, the rules which keep us safe are called safety rules. Question number 2. Which safety rules should we follow at home? Answer, do not play with sharp things. Do not touch switches with wet hand. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.